Hello everyone! Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more long to short hair transformations with some color changes. So if you are currently on the hunt for a brand new hairstyle and you're in need of some major hair inspiration, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. This is an absolutely gorgeous bob makeover. I love the color change with this. Her hair looks so pretty, beautiful dimension with that coloring. Very nice. Next up, we see someone with long mid-back length hair. So it looks like she is going to get a bob with this particular hair change. Stylist places the hair into a braid. Chops all of her long hair off. So after doing the initial cut, the stylist goes back in and does some shaping. Ooh, beautiful jaw length style bob. This is so pretty. Very nice. This bob has so much body and movement with it. Such a chic and fun look. Next up, we see someone grab the scissors. Looks like she's gonna do a big chop here. So she cuts the hair off. Oh, beautiful blonde coloring, and then she has her natural curls. So pretty. I love the pop with the red lip too. Very cute. And then we move on to the next one. So she has some mid-length hair just around her shoulders, a little bit past her shoulders. Looks like she's getting some color. Oh, so she actually got like a nice sun-kissed baby highlighted look. I like the texture of the waves, very pretty. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna leave you to check out this last hair transformation.